Hello viewers, in this video we'll see about data handling. Please subscribe to this channel. Data. The word data means the collection of information in the form of numerical figures or set of given factors. Example: the mark obtained by 10 students of a class in a test out of 100 marks are 78, 92, 81, 100, 46, 58, 71, 83, 92, and 98. The following data gives the information regarding the favorite game of 110 students of a school. Sports: football, cricket, tennis, carom board. Number of students: football 35, cricket 45, tennis 20, carom board 10. When some information is collected and presented in an unorganized manner, then it is called raw data. When the data is classified into groups, then it is called grouped data. Data in raw form can be presented in pictorial form, and this makes the data attractive and easy to understand. Also, we can compare it with other information. Some common known diagrams in which numerical data can be represented are pictograph, bar graph, double bar graph, circle graph, or pie chart or pie diagram. Thank you for watching.